Hey drone nerds, it's Andrew here. Let's unbox the brand new DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Now before we dig in, consider subscribing to Drone Nerds. That way you can keep up to date with everything drone and UAV related, and don't forget to like the video, it really helps. So, the brand new Mavic 3 Pro. This is a serious upgrade from the already stellar Mavic lineup from DJI. I'll get more into the features as we go along, but the new Pro opens up some insane possibilities for creativity and boosts the Mavic even further into professional levels of quality and capability. Okay, so we're going to take the drone and everything out of the box and then we'll go through it as we go along. Okay, let's start opening up boxes. I feel like it's Christmas morning. We have our USB Type-C charging cable for the remote and the drone. We also have a power brick with a USB Type-A outlet to plug in your Type-C cable, as well as another Type-C in here, so you can charge both your drone and your remote control at the same time. I don't know why more companies don't do this. This is fantastic. And of course we have our DJI remote controller with built-in screen. You also get one extra A and B type propeller, just in case. And now for the main event. Let's get the actual Mavic 3 Pro out of the packaging and take a look. So this is a brand new style of protector for the gimbal, the Payload. It's super easy to remove. All you have to do is lift up on this tab, follow around the outside of the drone, and there we go. There it is. That's the new Mavic 3 Pro. This is awesome. I can't wait to unfold this thing and take a look at the Payload. Wow. So the battery is pre-installed. It's already in the drone, so you don't have to worry about that. And that is the new Payload, the new triple camera array that comes on the Mavic 3 Pro. So let's talk about this controller for a second. It has a built-in LCD touchscreen, and it can receive HD video from up to 15 kilometers away. That's almost 9.5 miles. Plus, the Mavic 3 Pro has a 45-minute flight time. That is wild. The Mavic 3 Pro Payload is totally new, and it features 3 cameras. The main camera is made by Hasselblad, and it's sporting an equivalent 24mm wide-angle lens with a 4/3 sensor and 20 megapixels. This is going to give you incredible detail and insane dynamic range. Like, you can get some shots with this drone that look like they're straight out of a Michael Bay movie. Plus, that main Hasselblad sensor can shoot 4K 120 frames per second. That means you can get some seriously cinematic slow-mo shots. There's also a Mavic 3 Pro Cine, which allows you to shoot in Apple ProRes with all 3 lenses, and it has 1 terabyte of built-in storage. So again, subscribe to Drone Nerds so you don't miss the actual review where we get this thing in the air and get some really awesome footage. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you next time.